Hello everyone, I am Indrajit, lecturer Diet Moirang under SRT Government of Manipur. The Directorate of SRT Government of Manipur has been taking up various initiatives to supplement and support guidance in self-learning at home by students and future teachers of Diploma in Elementary Education program using social media platform during the COVID-19 lockdown period as an alternative means. So, taking these opportunities, today I am going to teach on the topic evaluation, its concept, and something about the CCE, that is continuous comprehensive evaluation. Now, let us see. Evaluation my concept it is the process that deals with the collection of evidences and information regarding the changes which occur in the child's behavior during the teaching learning process. On the basis of such information, interpretation and judgment regarding the progress of the child are met and decisions are taken. Thus, evaluation has evolved four processes. ID evaluation process akoina masigi definition par batung evaluation process akoina mari thuru phange madudi kari na haibda yana hamda gathering information haiba am phange, then mathang the interpretation of information haiba am phange, mathangda making judgments haiba amsu phange, aroibada and taking decisions haiba amsu akoina mathakti piriba definition asidigi akoina mari sel thopa yare adudi akoina hoji khangna bhona si gathering information se kari no haibisni information se kana dig laki no haibisni. Say for example, school da ojana para ama taku loire adu ojasina para si angang singchida khamnabra haine yenge haita bimana kari tawni exam asa ama lawrani exam asa am lo kanda angang singchina answer paper da question answer script da question gi matung answer me am ire madigi answer di bokoina information however, that is the information of the from the child to the teacher is that answer that has been written in the answer script. So that is called gathering information. Amasung ani shubda interpretation of information haibni interpretation id akoini chi in bachi khotpadu ba chi in badu interpretation haibni, that is try to understand what the child has written on the paper haibni adu akoina angang duna madugi akoina interpret tarokanda angang se ai ojatuna takhe paradu khangi yamna mongtana khangre natraga yam wali habisi akoina chi mana gi answer paper to para koina khamma ngam ojana. Then mathangda mani iramniba answer gi matugina making judgment haibdi grade kya pcke mark kya pcke haibdi koina making judgment haina kawe. And aroibda taking decisions haibdi iramniba angi answer gi matugina mark to pir matunda angang se same class dam lehengi sra natraga atopa class amada mathangi class ta upgrade tawsra haibdi koina taking decisions haina haibdi. Okay, aduna huji haiba ahanbigi gathering information haibise masida muk akoina nainaduna mu yesi gathering information aji sumnagi simply exam ama pangthopa haibdo akoina masida akoi khangre adudi maduda akoina tools and techniques haiba ani khasangani madubo akoina evaluation techniques and evaluation tools haina khanare. Haiba evaluation and techniques asuki matik phajana chection sina gadamni maramdi masina angang amagi development am chaw matin pani aduna evaluation techniques haida kari ga masina gum legacy evaluation techniques kari no habda aham bada makal ahum thongna pani masi written examination, anishuda oral examination, ahum shubada practical examination. Ahum sina evaluation technique ni haina khangnare. Aduga tools na kari gari no tools sida koina makal mari tokna koina tools se koina sem gari makal mari sing di kari no ahan bada objective type question anishuda very short type question ahum shubda short answer type question mari shubda essay type question masigi 1 2 3 4 that is objective type question, very short type question, short answer type question, and essay type question sina evaluation ki tools me amne akhoi khang nei amu aduga amu hujung nei na dinu yeng se what is objective type question. Objective type question se kari na da mark amagi hoi da multiple choice question ko masi akhoi na one of the types of objective type question ni objective type question makhal ni multiple choice question masibo khoi isam sumna MCQ hai khangni aduga amu matang sida aina haijani mana oja sina question sema tamda MCQ the hen emphasis preview baramdi masina akoi gi varieties of example technique akoi na sema yang gani amasung my contest myam si yam chaw ma lobu ya ba aduna MCQ the oina best of view aduga anamana true or false haibagi true or false is one of the type of type ki question ki makha challi adu masidedi amna based of video na haidi madi 50-50 lebi na say for example akoi ki question number the true or false ni tarai period khallo angang duna kain da khangdr bokta mana true ma thi dum so at least ma 5 mark ti phangne na khalli aduna yari koi true or false ki di lokhu piraga MCQ the based of MCQ see the example I question the final hango the sun rises in the blank aduga my choice ne either kari hai north B the south C the west D east side. This is one of the example of multiple choice question. The sun rises in the at the answer just one to karam boy dino sigi is the oidori. Aduna ngasadi aina mayam the coming in the sun rises in the height ba maroi ba part che mashi ko khoina kari ka the mashi ko na stem haina khamne aduga ngasadi achumba answer dina ki haina ko kane aduga achumba answer bu guess holiba ko gi mabu distract to myam tawi haidana arang sing ko koina distractor sign khangnari masini multiple choice question gi maru khara then mathang da lakdo question ha ko gi short answer but very short answer type question chi koina B C A hain khangnare very short answer type of questions ye kari magi keno si 1 mark ni amasung madi a word to khumbasu yai a phrase to khumbasu yai and in a sentence to khumbasu yai tabutu bu anandi ira pom matumda magi point amakhi idobni akoi point amadu bokana kari kawi one credit or value point haina khangne asum togna short answer type question su magi akoi short answer type question si short answer 1 short answer 2 short answer 3 bokta thambi short answer 1 of 2 marks, 2 then 3 marks, 3 then 4 marks. Masana kuna khaidok pi ai ado anga duram khok da magi credit point ani da khuman ga ni 2 credit point, 3 marks yo na 3 credit point, 4 marks yo na 4 credit point. Then next is essay type question. Essay type question da di karma in to ni hai bada essay type question da di magi marks 10 marks ho gani ad evaluator mane chi si mo tam da 10 marks si masai gi short answer gum ba very short answer gum di magi credit point da le bene no ase pi bulai adu bo essay type question da di magi 10 marks ho bi na o chi gi bi ba question marks se pi ba tam da mo da chum ne kyam pi da ha che pa answer di man ye ho da adu akoi na masi fadana khaidok pi gani maram di magi character se kari de le essay type question si maje organization haibam changi, then expression haibam changi, aroi bida integrating ideas haibam hom china pulaga short essay type question chi shape bani aduna madi free response laigani amasung such type of questions give a lot of freedom to the students to answer such type of question. Aduna 10 marks ang saya ay nabuk handin darke 10 marks ko na kamay na thugay ga masigi mark pibe gi mo si kamay pini yeng si yanam da short essay type question da like there is magi category khara khaido ko ni thangani agang si ni report tam da ko yeng si magi introduction part am yengani organization am yengani then body amla ani then critique or argument tami yengani last conclusion high basically akoina introduction da 1 mark hairo organization da 2 marks piro body da 3 marks piro argument da 3 marks piro and conclusion da 1 mark so to dana akoina 10 marks khaido ko yani 10 marks khaido ganda anang bigi ideiba mo bigi ga state ko ne base daraga 10 gi marks kam pisiki have do ko gi evaluation ko na khambanga uji amu mathang da mo akoi types of evaluation da nai ne duni si types of evaluation akoina makal khara thona phangi yahanam da formative evaluation. The next is summative evaluation. The third is placement evaluation. Fourth is diagnostic evaluation. Machine nahi lebi hai. Formative evaluation je karam makhalgi evaluation hai bada utana like tang chapter wise unit wise test angang test lo badu summative evaluation gi manung challi amasung even half yearly bok da formative evaluation manung challi karimba school lamda formative half yearly ki exam he session hogdi half yearly exam bok da koi exam lo matung da matang next ki dagi magi hogdur chapter ki na last final exam bokta madu the exam lo di ko half yearly exam so kana summative singe maram di summative exam haibasi ki final exam or annual exam ni magi the summative exam haibasi. Then placement evaluation city koi it is a type of evaluation which take place before the actual teaching learning program or process. Say for example angang amana physics logi hai tadi ma angka kyam haire aina test to ba adu placement evaluation manung chali or angang ama slow na chingra haina oja singna IQ test to ba amasung mark to pia phangani mark ti yodrgadi ma se koi ge special class ta thasin ba madu magi formal exam du placement evaluation kawi then diagnostic evaluation di koi gi magi example khara hai de koi na oral test to bugumba then classwork homework monitor to busi ko ni diagnostic evaluation manung chali marum di masi tawru matungda angang si khangi khangti de yeng to ga khangdragan magi feedback pi begi cha sam phangbani na masi bu akoina diagnostic evaluation haina ko adu evaluation ama inong na ko gi inbuilt evaluation haina ama kalai in built evaluation. Such type of evaluation take place outside the school campus. Say for example, garden ama natraga satra karana uzagi mana chatlaga question se hangba or tanaba tanaganda uzagi khangna takhiba amasung satra je hang question ka se hangdana khotna angang se khangala sakhibido madubu kan inbuilt evaluation ko bi ada masigi type of evaluation si ko yi yamna buti hoji tongmatri adu masi akoina yokhot pai dakar oi haina lojege then hoji amu lai laptar usna ko yi evaluation si da ko test loriba test haiba adi assessment haiba adi then examination haiba se it is a part of evaluation chingya ko longni maram de adu assessment ka evaluation ke adu mutik managre moji meaning amaga so hairap mane amsu moi de sineba tools and technique byang so adu chap mane adu na koina assessment ka evaluation de khairap kanna basi khara wan phang then mathang da mu aina lakchani sina cc ki matang de tang panjarage cc haibisi masi it is an assessment process niko aduga it was mandated by the Right Education Act of India in the year 2009 the mandate tawibini aduga masigi CC haiba continuous comprehensive evaluation se masi school based oigadabni amasung magi MD and at the all round development of the child oigadabni aduga mana evaluation it covers different aspects of scholastic and post-scholastic area cover tawani aduga it is magi exam show regularly conduct tawudamni but with reasonable intervals adu exam tawuna the with reasonable intervals ti thangadabni then akoi siki hai ba koi gi CCD salibsi aina hoji haiji ba scholastic hoji haiji ba scholastic and scholastic the loimak evaluate toba adudi mase comprehensive way scholastic to scholastic to evaluation tawdina comprehensive kore aduga continuous evaluation haigati adum angang student chapter wise unit wise adum exam se macha tawruga angang sibu khangdam yam na khamdu bu koina continuous evaluation ni aduga scholastic area musi scholastic area sida ani mapna evaluate tawi haidana masibu koina comprehensive evaluation haina pona bani then scholastic area sida koi changi se masidi it is meant for intellectual growth in Mongol like this intellectual growth like this it is meant for intellectual growth ni then magi tools and technique I know sai high amount of organic my evaluation scholastic tools and technique but the scholastic has the all the important school subjects the cognitive area ga mari leina ba domain ga or psychomotor domain ga mari leina ba port oibanina masi scholastic area si all important school subjects ta haina koina lawe aduga post classic area si majidi mana it to develop to kari no physical growth am lairani physical growth am lairani then mathangda development of social personal qualities some learning, social personal qualities some learning. Then the development of interest some learning, attitude and values. Machine develop to busibu machine course classic area assess to kanda machine develop to hanba haina. Then machine tools and techniques kamai to magi technique kari hoini observation. अखोन observation हाबिस करी ना दा पोट मन येंगा मागी फजबा फजदा बकोय न खम ngami पोट मन येंगा मागी observe तौरगा अखोय मागी लैबा मनुगे पोसि उ फंबा अदुना नसै अंगा हमना जोय सारे और नाना लाए अदु डिसिप्लिन फजरे मसे अखोन observe तौबगा मागी असोनबा म्याम असोय म्याम तो अखोना डेवलप तौबदुनी देन मागी tools ना करी करी द लैने हदा anecdotal record learning, anecdotal records and writing skill learning. Anecdotal records I know ngang taukiba kanaba amasung mana magi school that mana activity kya to tunda mo de tam chinga oiba amasung even kya to record ozaduna record to sunba ozaduna record to sunba dibu anecdotal record to chinge amasung writing skills na angang behavior magi neat and cleanness magi cooperation magi social work magi adum attitude myam tubu magi progress card abada record to thami madu ki progress card se angang gi magi personal qualities myam to all the other record to da thami amasung masi high record as report card si akoina annual report school report card da yahon gadabni aduga nasi viewers myam da in hajin ba amana akoina the child's achievement high akoina khamne kari na habada only akoina mark amount of fangba rank amna na fangba lakpa angang si akoina angang gi achievement high na lonai amasung atopa lebak western countries sing sidadi mark on fangba grading wamba sing tu mohta akoi yamna smart oiba amasung masigi social personal qualities jamna wamba bi tu akoina moina hena pami koi company hamle thabak job seeker job sik tong matamda aduna koina hoji mawapana pami bisi koi angang sing sina oza sing piak definition myam terms myam question samyam du exam da spelling la na full stop adegi comma watna ira pudin pami je duga right haiga out 100 out of 100 phangudini aduna maduna kyamu magi angang digi develop tawre haida tawti karigin haida masagi road model road method of teaching masagi road memory me amdane iram port oibinina aduna khona kadu tai madudi khoi skill ama yamna oiba skill ama hatue madudi kaino creative skill, that is creative thinking and creative writing. aduna creative thinking and creative writing lakna dawta hujiki leiba khoi chanai riba method of teaching si akoina hongdokpa maru oi aduma masi kari da maru oi hadda angang sing si activity based the play with method tambiba loina classroom da angang sing sibu wajana lepa ka para ta ku mota angang sing su discussion yawan ba masung kana makoi knowledge sing sibu wajana concept of guide to biba si yamna takar koi. Okay, thank you viewers. Nasi ina takchar bi myam si khara khambiraga achum aran ba yawrusu madu khamu khana feedback pinaraga pinaba hairaga ai mathang sida ai ki class lesson jarege. Stay home, stay safe and learning from home.